You don't need any capital for this. You need zero capital for this. It is unlimited and it is a passive way of earning revenue online legitimately. If you come to this same place that I am and then you click on reports and you click on conversions, you can see just a little example. You can see that these are all 2022, 2022, 2022. Now if you look here, you will see approved. You can see how much they bought this stuff.
WATERFRED'S, WATERFRED'S, Kaiga. Obrukwa ni neme video menjoy yo, nenuwa o. Diko like ya o. Olisa malugo kwa konye neme nuwa o. Hey, okwa YouTube o. WATERFRED'S ineku o, brother. Click and subscribe.
So a lot of people message me and they be like, WATERFRED, is there nothing I can do online without a huge capital or a capital of $100 or $200 or $500? Like, is there a way I can be able to make money online without having to deposit some huge funds online or bring some money to invest? And also, is there a way I can earn money online without being a professional? Well, today I tell you yes. So today I'm going to teach you a way for you to earn online revenue without needing any capital at all. And also, you don't have to be a pro. You can just start like today. So today guys, I'll be teaching you what affiliate marketing. If you search up the word affiliate on the dictionary or on the Wikipedia, you will see like a person or an organization attached to a larger body. Now you are like a subsidiary and you don't need any products per se or any shop before you can be an affiliate marketer. We will be using Jumia for this. Now all of us know the Jumia online shopping platform, just like Kunga. Affiliate marketing is actually very big. There is the ClickBank, there is JVZoo, there is the Jumia and all of that. But sometimes bringing out your money from those bigger platforms may be a huge problem or difficulty if you are not good in the online space. So but the Jumia online affiliate marketing pays you in Naira and they pay directly into your Nigerian bank account, so you don't have any special settings to do. The only thing you need to do is just to watch this video to the end and then understand the process I took, and then you take the same process and be consistent in what you do. Now you can push affiliate marketing and within a week you start seeing results. Sometimes it may take months, sometimes for some people it may take years. So honestly speaking, there are no fixed rules as to when you can start seeing your results. You can start seeing results and profit within the next day or the next 2 days, as long as you are consistent in what you do, or as long as you set up everything right just the way you were taught to do. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is WATERFRED1. So what you just have to do is to come to this website. I will leave the link of this website in the video description, and it is the Jumia affiliate website. Once you come to this website, let's refresh it real quick here, and the next thing you are going to do is what you sign in. Yeah, this is my account. Now the next thing you're going to do after doing this is just to go to jumia.com. Go to jumia.com. Yes, and this is where you are going to make your money. You don't need any product, you don't need to sell anything, you don't need to have any product or have any shop outside for you to be making money from Jumia through this method. Now just follow the steps in this video. What you're just going to do is, once you are here, click on advertising and then you click on offers. Then you click on what? Jumia e-commerce. You select your country. If you're watching from Nigeria, Egypt, any country you are watching from or you are in, select your Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. Now here you are going to promote these products. What you're just going to do here is, for me, I like promoting products from official stores, from Jumia official stores, or guaranteed products. I like these two very well, so I will just right click here and open it. As well, open the guaranteed products. You can now see that this is your official store promotional link. So you just click on copy, you go to another browser and then test the link out, paste it and then press enter. You can now see that we are now at Jumia official stores categories. Now anyone that purchases anything at all from any of these products, anyone that purchased anything at all from this link, any product here at all, you are getting a commission. You are getting a referral commission, guys. Now let me just show you something real quick. If you come to this same place that I am and then you click on reports and you click on conversions, Let me open conversions real quick, and then let me go to filters and let me just change something. Just click this. You can see just this, just a little example. You can see that these are all 2022, 2022, 2022. Now if you look here, you see approved. You can see how much they bought this stuff, and you can see how much I got paid, for each referral commission for each product that was purchased via my link. Now let's still head back to where we were promoting. You can see the warranty guaranteed. You can open it too. This is it. Copy the link. You can go to another browser and then you paste it. When you paste, you click enter. You can see any product here are all they all have warranty. Yeah, they all have warranty. All of them, they are all warranted products. So let's check this guy out. You can see the warranty. It has warranty and is for technical issues. So not when you go and spoil it, you come and say they should repair it for you. No, check this guy out too. They all have warranty products. These are all warranted products. And again, another thing you can as well do is when you get to Jumia, you can even go to jumia.com. Just open Jumia. You can as well just go to jumia.com and select any product at all that you like. You can go from here, from advertising and from offers, or you can just come to jumia.com and pick any product that you like. Any product at all that you like, any one at all that you like. And let's say for instance you pick this clipper now. For example, when you pick this clipper, just copy the link of this clipper, come here, then instead of clicking on offers, you click on custom links, then select Jumia e-commerce, select Nigeria, and then you paste the link here, click enter, and then you see an affiliate link has been generated for you. This is an advertising link, so copy it. You can come here, come to another browser, paste, press enter, and then you see it that the clipper will load up. Anyone that purchases this clipper from this link, you are going to get a commission from this link. If you come to my home here, you will see a little commission that I've made here. Now let me just show you a little bit of a setup. Now when you are here and you've signed up, you come to account info. Very important, you come to account info, just put in your name, your phone number, your website. If you have a website or a YouTube channel, or you have any way you want to be promoting, you can put it here. If you don't have, you can as well just put your Instagram link or your Facebook link and then run a Facebook ad or Instagram ad. It's a way to as well help you promote the products and you make your commission. So you can put it here and then put your email and then save changes. You can as well come to this account details. You can see here info, addresses, everything. Just set all this up, put your name. You can put your company name or your full name. I put my full name, then put your tax ID. If you don't have tax ID, put your national ID, that's your NIN. Then put your phone number, put your social media, just like I said before, your Facebook, your Instagram, or your YouTube channel, or any website at all, your website that you want to promote on, you want to promote the products on. I'm not talking about the Jumia affiliates links, but from where you are promoting the products, you need a platform. Let's say your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, or your own website that you built yourself. And then address. When you click on address, you put in all your address details, and then your payout details. Please pay attention in this part. Your payout details, you put your bank, your bank account number, select currency NGN. Then this Swift code is very, very important. If you don't know your Swift code, please call your bank and ask them. If you see it on the internet, you can as well put it there if you believe that is the Swift code. If not, just call your bank or visit the branch. So basically that is just it. If you have any issues, you can click on support, click on contact us, select and then message them. They will reply your message. Then another thing, when you come to support, click on commission model
This is for Egypt. You can see 9%, this basic commission. Okay, now if you come to Nigeria, you got this one, women accessories, 9%. You know, you can see 9% basic commission and bonus. You know, 9%, 7%. So from here as well, you can choose musical equipment 1%. From here you can choose the kind of products to promote. You can as well come and start promoting women accessories just to get higher commissions, male accessories, girls, you know, a lot of things like that. You can see food, cupboard. So from here now you can make your choice and know the kind of products that you are going to promote. Okay, you can still click on frequently asked questions and then read about the Jumia affiliate program, you know, if you are confused, so you understand it very well. So basically that's just it, guys. That's just it. So I said to make this video because a lot of people still come to me and they be like, WATERFRED, the capital is much. We don't have a big capital to trade cryptocurrency. We don't have enough capital to maybe pay for your course or trade cryptocurrency, so we need something we can do without capital. I understand, we've all been there once in a while, so you can start this without needing any capital, you know, and then promote your products very well, and of course you're going to make sales if it's meant for you. Everything online is not for everyone, but whenever I see anything legitimate online and where you can earn revenue from, it is a way to help, and a lot of people can just do this and you don't know. You can just like I woke up one day and saw this 935 naira here. You can as well wake up one day and you see 500,000 naira or 1 million. You know, someone may have purchased something very big, you know, from your link, maybe a very big product, laptop, camera, you know, TVs. This is unlimited, and the most important thing is that it is what you do not need any capital, and it is what passive income. You can just be sleeping and someone will just purchase product from your affiliate link.
If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you not enjoyed this one, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comment section, and make sure you share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and other social media platforms, so that other people too will gain value from what we do online. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.